Children, please open page number 48. Before we read, let me ask you. Just now we saw a video. Do you remember the new words? Some new words were there. Anybody remembers? They are kitchen, kids, keyboard, karate. So these new words were there. Children, please remember and learn these new words. Let's read. This is the letter K. This is small letter K. The sound of K is K. The sound of K is K. Read aloud. Aloud means loudly. Let's read the pictures first. K for kangaroo. K for key. K for kettle. K for kite. K for kitten. K for king. Let's learn with the spelling. Kangaroo. You can point with your finger or with your pencil. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. You will not read double O, you will say O. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. Key. 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 Kettle. 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 Kite. 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 Kitten. Kitten. You will not say double T, you will say TT. Kitten. King. 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 Children, you will read all these words 5 times each. You will spell and read slowly and loudly. Let us go back to page number 35. Please open page number 35. We will write cursive letter E. Trace, say and write. So dots are there. This is simple E. You have to trace the dots. You will hold your pencil lightly, not like this. Hold your pencil lightly. You trace the dots. This is simple E. Like this, you trace the dot and write simple E. these two lines simple E, these three lines we will write cursive letter E. Third, fourth and fifth line we will write cursive letter E. You do all these two lines, trace the dots and write E, simple E. Here you see there are 4 lines, red, blue, blue and red. Between blue lines are there. So within these 2 lines we will write cursive letter E. Already you have learned to write, so let us write in the book. From this third line we will start. Let go slightly, you go up, then come down like this. Hold your pencil. Let us write together. Slowly you go up and come down like this. Once more here. Like this. Now you complete these 3 lines. Thank you, children.